Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. The wonderful Charlene Patton joining us once again from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back to the show. We've had a couple of great treats so far, and we've got another one here for us. So what have we got today?
Well, we're doing bake and take. So now we have a cookie recipe that will be great for kids to make and share. Take it to a teacher and say thank you. Visit someone, that maybe a coach or whoever. But it's a great opportunity. Bake and Take is a Kansas Wheat Commission event, and the Kansas Soybean Commission has chimed in with some great recipes. This is a soy nut butter cookie recipe. Okay. We've got the recipe on our website, and if you love a peanut butter but you have an allergy, use soy nut butter. Gives you that same great flavor. What we did is I like to use, I guess I was going to show this, use this to portion them out, because then this makes them all the same size cookie. Then what we have is let the kids do this, make sure they wash their hands first. Of course. And then make it into a ball, and then they can either smash it with their hands or they can use a lid, and I put a little bit of oil or vegetable shortening on here, which is another soybean product. Press it down. If it sticks a little bit, just pull it off there. Did yours stick?
It did.
Well, mine did too. So maybe let's just do it with our hands and try that.
That might be a better idea. Now it didn't want to come back off.
It didn't. It wanted to stay with that shortening on there, didn't it? Well, smash it down. We'll do the other one. Smash it. But kids will love doing this. And then to make our owl, you have little eyes. We're going to put that there for the eyes. You could use dried fruits. You could use all kinds of things to let the kids have fun. And then the almond there makes the nose for our owl. Look at that.
All right. Your owls look cool. My owls look a little confused.
When I was doing this, I found and these are just a salted roasted almond, but there's all kinds of almond shapes in there to make that fun nose for that owl. How does that look? I'm going to just hold mine up there so we can see it. Oh, look at yours. Yours look great.
They're all right. I guess they're all right there, so they're not too bad.
Bake those in the oven and put them on a baking sheet here. Bake them in the oven and then let them cool. These are kind of a delicate cookie. Let them sit there for maybe about a minute or two, and before you take them off and put them on a cooling rack. It makes 30 cookies that you can share, and here's our plate. I'll show you that, and you see a plate of owls there. How's that?
And the kids will love that, because not only are they getting cookies, they're getting really cool cookies.
They're getting cool cookies.
And they help to make them, and that's really important as well.
That's right.
Well, Charlene, thanks so much for sharing this with us. And, of course, you can find this information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com, and you can get it directly from the Kansas Soybean Commission.
That's right. Call our 800 number, 877-KS-Soybean. We'll mail you all the recipes, or go to our website at kansassoybeans.org.
All right, Charlene, thank you. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.